Now, let us see how this creative strategy can be implemented in print advertising. So, in print advertisement, there are three main components. There are headlines, visual elements, and layout. Headline. Headline is the leading position of the ad. The words that will be read first or are positioned to draw the most attention. Headlines are usually set in larger type and are often set apart from the body copy or text portion of the ad to give them prominence. And most advertising people consider the headline the most important part of the print ad. Direct headline. Direct headlines are straightforward and informative in terms of message they are presenting and the target audience they are directed towards. Common types of direct headlines include those offerings as specific benefit, making a promise, or announcing a reason the reader should be interested in the product or service. Indirect headline. Indirect headlines are not straightforward about identifying the product or service or getting to the point, but they are often more effective or attracting readers' attention and interest because they provoke curiosity and lure readers into the body copy to learn an answer or get an explanation. Techniques for writing indirect headlines include using question, provocations, how to statements, and challenges. Subhead. Subhead are usually smaller than main headline but larger than the body copy. Subheads are often used to enhance the readability of the message by breaking up large amount of body copy and highlighting key sales points. Body copy. The body copy, the main text portion of print ad is referred to as body copy or sometimes just copy, while the body copy is usually the heart of the advertising message. Getting the target audience to read it in a often difficult. Layout. A layout is a physical arrangement of the various parts of the ad, including headlines, subheads, body copy, illustration, any identifying marks. The layout shows where each part of the ad will be placed and gives guidelines to the people working on the ad. Voiceover, where the message is delivered or action on the screen is narrated or described by the announcer who is not visible. Needle drop. Needle drop is the occupational term common to advertising agencies and the music industry. It refers to music that is prefabricated, multi-purpose, and highly conventional. It is in the sense the musical equivalent of stock photos, clip art, or canned copy. Needle drop is an inexpensive substitute for original music, paid for on a one-time basis, and it is dropped into a commercial or film when a particular normative effect is desired. Jingle. Jingles are catchy songs about a product or service that usually carry the advertising theme and a simple message. Script. Script is a written version of commercial that provides a detailed description of its video and audio content. The script shows the various audio components of the commercial and the copy to the spoken by voice, the music and sound effect. Native advertising. Native advertising is a type of paid placement designed to fit seamlessly into the content that surrounds it. The design content and writing style of native ads uh, mirrors the non-paid content around it, giving the user an impression that it really belongs. Native advertising is becoming a dominant form of content advertising, particularly in digital editions of magazines and newspapers. So with this, we end up with one more concept of integrated marketing communication subject.